Hello guys, good morning. We're here now at Fancy Pan at Sapa, still at Sapa again. Hey! Asan mga ladies? Mga sexy ladies. Fancy Pan legend. The weather is very nice. Nakisama ang weather today. It's not raining. It's not raining, not so foggy. So we can see the view clearly. Everything's clear.
Kailangan may stopper.
Garden of Five Colors.
Kung nabisto ko na lahat. Ito talaga si Tay.
walang preno, no?
Pero si Maria Teresa. Pero si Tiny, siya na talaga yung Tiny.
Oo, yan na talaga siya eh.
Siya na talaga yan.
Normal na niya yan.
Kaya galit na galit ang ano eh.